there, I'm Sherry Keller, Senior Worldwide Client Development Manager for Microchip. Welcome to our microchipDIRECT how-to tutorial. In this short video, you will learn how to add and manage your business account participants. As a master user or account manager of the business account, you have the ability to invite other users to be linked to your account. This feature allows you to set credit limits based on the buyer and ultimately keep track of your overall spending. It is important to note that the option to add participants is only offered to clients with credit terms. If you have a business account with this feature, you may contact our customer service department to discuss the options available to you. So let's get started. First, log into your microchipDIRECT account. Go to My Account tab from the top level navigation and select My Account from the drop-down menu. Select the Manage Participants link located beneath Business Account Management. From the Manage Participants page, select the link Invite Participant. Complete the new user information, email address, first name, last name, and order limit. Read the terms and conditions, mark the I agree button, then select the Send Invitation button. An email will be sent to the invited user providing them with instructions on how to accept the invitation. You will be notified via email when the invited user has accepted the invitation. To finish the setup process, go back to the Manage Participants page and select the Approve button next to the invited user's name. After the invited user is approved, the master user can change the role from a buyer to an account manager. That wraps up our tutorial on how to add and manage your business account participants. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.